I have a dream that one day this nation will rise.
Greetings. My name is Chaplain Mario Lavender, and I'm taking this time to share with you my story and my journey and how I came to the decision to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. It was important to me as a full-time hospice chaplain, understanding that my exposure rate to COVID-19 is higher than for many people, and also as a husband, father, and caregiver to my mother who has Parkinson's, that I protect myself and my family. And in the process, after much prayer, I came to the decision, and researching and getting accurate and factual information, I came to the decision to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. One of the things that stood out to me in my research was a report that came out of the Johns Hopkins Center, and it was listed in the National Urban League's report, and it showed that the coronavirus infection rate for blacks is 62 per 10,000 compared to 23 per 10,000 for whites, and Latinos even worse, 73 infections per 10,000. The report also stated that blacks and Latinos who contract the disease are more likely to suffer from pre-existing conditions, which increase a risk of severe illness and hospitalization, the report stated. And that stood out to me because myself, I also have high blood pressure, and so I have a pre-existing condition, and that also raised a red flag as well for myself, knowing that I was at a higher risk than most people, and understanding the effect that the coronavirus has in black and brown communities. It was also important for me that I get vaccinated, and not just get vaccinated, but also share my story that others may also get vaccinated. Now, one of the things that I want to encourage you to do is to listen to our town hall meeting that was presented on last week. It's easy information that will help you to make an accurate decision in receiving your vaccination. It will help you to understand the importance it is to help save your life and the lives of others. I pray that my message, I pray that my journey may encourage you as you make your decision to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. God bless you.